on the Douglas firs. Clouds cover half of the mountain. Coffee is high at the roadside stop, while the rain keeps tapping the awning. An old logging road climbs out of town, past moss on the guardrail signs. The river runs cold through the valley below, and the highway follows its line. Some people leave for a warmer place, some stay because this is home, where the rain comes down and the tall trees hold their ground. From the great Pacific shoreline to the mountains capped in white, there's a fire in every small town bar. When the winter settles in, you learn to live beneath the clouds and wait for the sun again. Fishing boats leave before daylight, with their deck lights fading from view. The wind comes hard off the water and cuts through a warm rain suit. Farther east, the orchard's open, where the hills turn dry and gold. But west of the pass, the cedar stays green through every season of cold. The weather changes without much warning, but nobody waits for it to clear. Where the rain comes down and the tall trees hold their ground. From the great Pacific shoreline to the mountains capped in white, there's a fire in every small town bar. When the winter settles in, you learn to live beneath the clouds and wait for the sun again. I watched the fog lift off the river, seen Mount Rainier break through the gray, driven south along the Columbia, with the whole wide valley awake. There are places built for passing through, and places that stay in your blood. This land gets under your skin, with the timber, stone, and mud. Where the rain river keeps running west, and somewhere beyond those evergreen hills, the daylight finds its rest.